Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Of the people who fished at Clearwater Park today, 72 had a fishing license, and 18 did not. Of the people who fished at Mountain View Park today, 60 had a license, and 40 did not. No one fished at both parks. Suppose that one fisher from each park is chosen at random. What is the probability that the fisher chosen from Clearwater had a license, and the fisher chosen from Mountain View did not have a license? Do not round your answer. End of problem. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.